Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 3rd Lecture 16 Welding Basic Component of the Welding Operation. Agenda for today present in this video: high pressure system welding, low pressure system welding, types of gas flame and oxidizing of flame. The oxyacetylene welding apparatus of the apparatus of used for oxy, oxyacetylene high pressure welding is shown in this figure and consists of the following: oxygen cylinder and acetylene cylinder and pressure gauges, valves and house use of pipes and torch, welding tips and pressure regulators and light of lighters and goggles. All the components used in the gas welding operation. And the principle of oxyacetylene welding, the a very hot flame is produced by the burning of the gaseous combined through the torch tube. The edges of be to be welded or heated up to the melting. The filler metal is also added to the complete the welding. This molten metal mixture when the solidify on the cooling from the welded joint. Oxygen oxygen cylinder and acetylene cylinder oxygen cylinder and acetylene cylinder are filled with the gases. Both our cylinders are attached with the pressure gauge regulator cylinders walls. The cylinder containing oxygen is spent block of where the acetylene cylinder is painted for the carbon house of pipes are provided with the each cylinder. Is these pipes are connected to the welding torch. The application of the oxyacetylene welding process. The oxyacetylene welding is the particularly used to sheet metal work. All the metals can be welded with the proper filler metal. The some equipment may be used for cutting purpose. Advantage of the oxyacetylene welding. The main advantage of oxyacetylene welding gives the below. The equipment is cheap and compared with two or welding process. It can be used for welding to all the types of metals. Maintenance of equipment is very less. It is the portable process. This is the portable process. It can be used for cutting and metal of a small thickness. It is especially used for sheet metal work. Sheet metal work. Classification of the welding process is continuing. The main types of welding process we have developed the depending upon the field of the application. Fog welding. The pressure of the under the pressure without of the filler metal used. Friction welding and electric resistance welding, blacksmith forging welding and cold pressure welding, fusion or non-fusion welding. With the addition of the filler metal in this operation, gas welding, heat created by the gas, electric welding, heat created by the electrically, thermite welding, heat created by the chemical reaction took place. The classification of welding process is continuing. Advantage of the welding. It take a long time of heating to job compared to the arc welding. The heat affected the area or more. It is the process of corrosion and brittleness, gas of excessive and difficult storm. The types of the gas flame. There are the three types of the gas flame is used in this operation: oxidizing flame, carburizing flame, and natural flame. Types of the glass flame in the carburizing flame. When the volume of oxygen is more than volume of acetylene mix, यानी एसिटिलीन के पीछे हमारी ऑक्सीजन गैस अधिक ज़्यादा होगी into the torch. The flame is used to welding brass, also used for cutting of metals. Carburizing flame. Carburizing flame when the volume of acetylene mixed with more than oxygen. Carburizing flame is the format in this flame is used for welding nickel model. Natural flame. It is known as balance of flame. Oxygen and acetylene gas are mixed in equal volume. The natural flame is used for normal welding of steel, cast iron. The types of the gas flame in the building. This is the oxidizing flame. This is the notch of the tip is in the generator of the cone. Pressure is 3500 degrees Celsius. This is the inner, and this is the upper part of the flame is the outer of the elevated to the in the flame. Second is the office use in the flame is the carburizing flame. And this is the torch tip is the very high is compared to the oxygen flame. In the this is the inner core is the temperature cone is generated in 3150 degrees Celsius, and the intermediate cone. This is the intermediate of the cone is the temperature is in the to above the 2000 degrees Celsius above. The outer elevated of the flame is the nuke of the gen is the flame. Natural flame in this flame is a mixture of the oxygen and acetylene gas both are equal parts equal volume in this operation. This is the inner torch is the very small and the temperature is generated to the cone of the 3400 degrees Celsius, and this is the color of the flame is the outer elevated of the flame is temperature 1200 to the 1300 degrees Celsius. This is the types of flame are present in this video. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the of the gas welding of acetylene gas welding. The use of component and of the flame is